Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to download the Rithmic Trader Pro. And if you want to download this, we go right here to Google and we search exactly right here for download Rithmic Trader Pro. Then we go here to RTrader Pro, click here on download for Windows, click here on the RTrader Pro MSI. Then we do right here next, I agree, next, and then we do next, and then we do next. And then right now he's downloading the Rithmic Trader Pro, and this will cost you a few seconds between minutes. Now today it's seconds for us. Then we click here on close and then make sure that you enable right here launch Rithmic Trader Pro. So we will automatically launch the Rithmic Trader Pro. Click on close. And there we go, guys. Now we can log in from here and you see here a sign with Pro, and that's exactly what we needed. And now we can fill in right here or user ID and password, select right here paper trading, and then we can start using the Rithmic Trader Pro from here. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.